All right, y'all, so we're going to get into it today. XRP, that's what we're talking about. I had to do a video about this because XRP has been trending and going up. Now, today, we're diving into something that is crypto. This is not stocks. I usually talk stocks, but I had to do XRP. One reason is because my son is investing in it. He wanted to get into stocks. I said the easiest thing, get you a Robinhood account, invest in XRP. I told him to get it. He got XRP. It already skyrocketed and he wants to take his money out. I told him, no, this is long term. Hold it and stay in there. He doesn't know too much about stocks. Seeing that 40% that he made and got excited and want to take it out. But I told him, hold up, wait, stay in it. You want to stay in this and let it grow. And by the time in a couple years or whatever, you may be thanking me later about this. All right, so XRP right now is around 354. People are asking, is it too late to buy or is it just the beginning? Why is it going up? I did a little research and this may be a reason why it's going up. Let's take a look, y'all. So the Genius Act was signed into law, the first regulation crypto bill passed by Congress, signed by Trump. So that's a lot of hype, y'all, because it brings a lot of awareness to crypto. Now, even though this bill only targets stablecoins, XRP exploded, y'all. Here, partly because it's seen as Trump's crypto-friendly plan. Now, it's qualified as a friendly plan, so that sounds friendly and makes you want to buy. Okay, now, earlier this year, Trump even announced XRP would be included in the U.S. crypto reserve. So that's huge right there. So that's kind of what's driving the stock up. If you haven't got XRP, I'm going to break it down at the end of this video, how you can get it and how you get going, so stay tuned. But let's talk about why might still be a smart time to buy it. Why? Here's some reasons that I jot down. 3 reasons. I'm going to give you 3. Institutional interest is big. That means big money is jumping in. That means money that is bigger than my pockets are jumping in there. The momentum is very strong. It keeps breaking resistant levels. Anytime a stock keeps breaking these levels and moving up, hey, that's what you want to keep your eyes on because it is strong. That tells you it's strong. Now, government attention, that's the 3rd thing. The U.S. is mentioning XRP in a reserve plan that gives it legit credibility. So that's when you say, okay, hey, if the U.S. is getting behind it, maybe I need to get behind this. Maybe this is valid. Maybe this is something that is legit. Now, what should you do? If you feel crypto is going mainstream, then XRP is the move. That may be the move for you. Now, here's one advice that I want to say. Don't go all in. Start small, because when things are starting to rise, you're going to have a pullback that's going to come. I do not want you guys to get caught up in that pullback, buying at the top, and then it pulls all the way down. You see your money start to go down, then you panic and you jump out. It's like, what was the purpose of all that for? So let's not buy at the top. Now, if it comes down, just let the stock fall down, get your entry and get in, and then relax and hold. Wait for another rush because it's going to do another rush. Let's take a quick look at XRP and just see how it has climbed in the past years. XRP overall, this stock has rose, and if you bought in when it's 5 cents, then you probably took some profit and cashed out. And I'm probably celebrating because it is already up to the top. I expect it to go up, but I also expect it to consolidate and maybe do a pullback. And that's where you want to get in. You don't want to miss that. So now that you've seen the chart, you can see how much you can make doing crypto. XRP is a move. I want to know what you think. I want you to comment below. Do you think XRP is a good buy? Are you already invested in the XRP? And are you going to buy more? Are you going to hold? I want to know that in the comments. So please join in on the comments. And also remember, if you want to trade with me live, you can do that. All you got to do is click the link. I'm going to put it in the comments. I'm going to put the link also in the bio. Now, if you click that link and join, you'll be able to trade with me. You'll be able to get into my Discord. You'll be able to get in there, talk to me. Whatever. Don't be ghosting there. If you do not understand anything that's going on, I created a guide. Now, everybody trades different. I'm not no super guru. I tell everybody I was not born on Wall Street. I took a long time learning stocks, learned my lesson. So I created this guide for you to just walk the line like a VIP, walk right into it and learn my lingo, learn how I'm trading. So when you're in the community and you're seeing me calling out these plays, you understand what I'm doing. The guide is real simple. It's going to get you in under an hour. You're going to know what I'm doing and how I'm trading. So I highly recommend you get the guide. If any of this information has helped you or you learned anything new about XRP, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe. You don't want to miss the next play, y'all. I call out plays. I got some videos coming out where I'm going to bring you the bag. I'm going to bring the bag to you because you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say, hey, look, this is where you need to be at. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe. And if you want to trade with me in the morning, then make sure you click on that link, get into the Discord with me, get the guide, and let's make some money together. Thank you.